Manchester is the birthplace of computing. It's a place where people get together and solve real problems and real challenges. And what a great place to study.
The course is very hands-on, it's very practical. A lot of the times you are very much thrown into the environment while being supported by your tutors. The sense of community is really strong here. Everyone wants to see you succeed, and this is setting me up for going into industry where I'll be working in a collaborative environment. For the most part, the course is completely coursework based, so you're working on projects right from the start.
Working with industry on briefs or taking part in some of our industry-led hackathons really helps students gain professional experience for the world of work. We have an industry advisory board that advises on the content of our courses and also provides us with real-world assessment briefs.
So my Masters really helped me secure my grad role at Autotrader. We worked with Autotrader's datasets they provided us during my sponsored dissertation project. What that involved was partnering with Autotrader, who are based here in Manchester, and working with industry professionals. That really benefited me as it allowed me to understand what real-world data actually looks like, but also why a business would want to answer certain questions about their data. So having that made me really understand, well, what's the why behind the analysis that we're doing? And it really gave me that professional experience, which can be really tough when you're doing a full-time master's to get experience like that. Alongside myself, there's also 3 other colleagues at Autotrader who have also done a Masters in Data Science at Manchester Met, so I'm in great company.
My dissertation project is a digital intervention to help manage Parkinson's disease in the form of a mobile application. My dad was diagnosed with Parkinson's 3 years ago, so I've kind of noticed the challenges that my mum and dad face, my mum being a caregiver. After graduating, I want to continue to work on the application and hopefully push it out to a wider audience. Manchester Met have allowed me to achieve something so ambitious, and eventually I do want to enter the healthcare sector and hopefully make a difference.